process drunk for it. Paperwork rules, Agile they tried, bought new tools. Canary project, test the new way. Halfway through, Canary did instead. Canary's gone, management tense. Did someone kill it? No evidence. Probing departments, corners of space. Agile whodunit, who's behind the case? Product management claims did our best. Gave clear directions, let the team do the rest. Development wrote to load all the code. If the birdie died, it must have been old. Canary's gone, management tense. Did someone kill it? No evidence. Probing departments, corners of space. Agile whodunit, who's behind the case? Requirements, engineering, specs, and lists. Claimed we defined it all, no mistwists. Quality assurance, a meticulous eye. Swore we tested everything, we till it die. Testing team side, we found a few defects, nothing fatal, we put it in text. RA with their red tape, said compliance is king, we want to accelerate. Finance, but if we funded the ride, didn't touch the bird, we've nothing to hide. HR with policies tight, added we trained everyone to do this right. Canary's gone, management tense. Did someone kill it? No evidence. Probing departments, corners of space. Agile whodunit, who's behind the case? The end it was clear, who is to blame? In this experiment they all shall share the shame. Next time no Canary, just pure might. Razor clawed predator, ready to fight. Pointed beak and talent so keen. Next bird won't die, agile and mean. In this old school firm an epiphany came. Agility needs power to stay in the game.